Hey guys, Merry Christmas to everybody watching this. Well, I guess Merry Late Christmas because this won't be posted till the new year. But today is Christmas. And I just want to remind you guys that today is not about gifts. It is about Jesus and him being born. So happy birthday, Jesus. I am starting the vlog today because later today I'm going to my grandma's house, but then after that I'm going on a 16-hour drive to Florida. So it'll be a vlog for while I'm in Florida of the whole week I'm there. I will be there from tomorrow whenever we arrive and until January 2nd, I believe. So there's all kinds of fun things we're going to be doing. But again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone watching. Let's see how many times we end up stopping because my mom and I are probably gonna have to use the bathroom so many times. We're going to eat now. Hey vlog, this is the fit check. We're about to leave to go on a charter boat for fishing. There's Ethan.
Hi.
And his fit check. I am also bringing a white sweatshirt. And we'll see you guys on the boat. Little change of plans. We're going to the aquarium today. And it's funny because we just passed it and I just recorded it. So now we're going back. I'm not gonna lie guys, I tried these on the way up here. I probably have a clip of it somewhere. But these are so good. When I tell you, they are delicious. Flamin' hot cheddar and sour cream. They aren't even like spicy. It's just like cheddar and sour cream chips but with a different flavor. We stopped so they could use the bathroom, and I'm getting hot in this. I think tomorrow is going to be a beach day, and I think Sunday we're going to visit family, and Monday morning we might go on the charter boat, or if we don't do that, it'll just be a chill day. The frolic shark can walk. Rather than swim, sharks often walk by wriggling their bodies and pushing with their paired fins. They come from these places. The yellow ray. Yellow stingrays inhabit clear marine environments and benefit from having the ability to rapidly change their color to camouflage. Look how cute! Oh, she's up there. Wait, PC. or she or he, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but I'm sitting in this little crawl space area. Saw this and got excited, and it's not even a real seahorse. This guy's interesting. This is me and Cam, always joined at the hip. This one pulled the plant off the ground. Look at this in the corner if you turn on the light. Boom, bark scorpion. Okay, so me and Ethan, we got bracelets to track an animal. Mine is purple and I'm tracking a dolphin, and his is greenish and tracking a manatee.
Option?
Smile for the camera.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
She needs a haircut.
Smile. Ew, it's getting your chin hairs.
Okay.
Smile.
Yeah. No.
Go in like this. Okay, I'm gonna try the Star Wars game. Ethan's trying to get the zombie. Don't you only have a certain amount of time? Just try. No. Look at all these ones. Took a pit stop at the pier. Good morning, guys. Today, oh, this lighting's really bad. Whatever. Today, we're going to the beach. I am eating breakfast currently. This is my breakfast. It is strawberry cheesecake donuts and one of the Starbucks vanilla frappuccinos because why not? I got my orange bathing suit and my cover up. I know we're just going to the beach, so today will just be a beach vlog. And then after the beach, we are going to my aunt's house again to have burgers and hot dogs. Also, I didn't show you guys, I do have a tattoo that I got with my grandma. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a treble clef. I just got it a week ago from tomorrow. So I got it 6 days ago. I love it, and now I'll have something to remember her always. And my love for music. I will see you guys at the beach. Okay guys, we took a pit stop at Big Lots. Oh. Okay guys, we took a pit stop. I just spit everywhere. We forgot beach towels, and we didn't want to bring the hotel towels. We wouldn't have been allowed to anyway because we didn't want to ruin them. So we're at Big Lots. Here's Ethan. Say good morning.
Morning.
It looks a little cloudy today, but it's supposed to be warmer than it was yesterday anyway. See you guys at the beach. We found some of these shells, and I found this one. And a bunch of these little ones. And my mom found all of these big ones. Look how pretty. There's a lot of shells here. Oh, here's one. We found a bunch of pieces of sand dollars. Oh, that one has a lot of barnacles. There's a bunch of pieces. Here's another one. I got two. We're looking for shark teeth too, because I found shark teeth here before. I've lost count of how many shells we've collected. No shark teeth though. I got a green cup, and it's a coconut cream, which is just a pina colada. We got showers, and now we're in the elevator. We're gonna go to a Mexican restaurant for dinner. Okay guys, it's the next day. We're going to see manatees and what else? Sharks and stingrays, is that what they said?
Yeah.
Apparently, it's like right near a power plant, and Ethan's is
11 is
near one, and he's like, "Oh my God, that's where my manatee is." So we're gonna try to see. Will it say that you're near it?
No, we'll just have to figure out where
Is it still there?
it is. It would tell me if it moved.
Also, while he's looking at that, yesterday I dropped my phone in Dollar General, so now the top of the screen is like black, and the whole screen is like static.
No.
So I'm gonna have fun editing. Ethan's showing us the power plant is down here, but she's over here. She was here yesterday.
People like carry their own
Ethan just said that up on top of this building is where Marvel, or where superheroes would like fight in a Marvel movie, on top of the building. And we were like, what if we fell in with the manatees? And she's like, well, the manatee could just lay on top of them and kill them, because the manatee he's tracking is like 1,000 pounds. There's like little baby sharks. guys are freaky. We're at Taco Bell, and me and Ethan got this to share. We thought this was a regular, and we ordered a large, so we were like, hey, this was supposed to be a large. Apparently this is the large. And we got food. I got nacho fries and Mexican pizza, and Ethan got the Mexican pizza combo. And lots of sauces. It's raining, but we're at the mall. Hey guys, so we're leaving later today, but they're using the bathroom and then we're shopping again. Ethan just said this hallway is the one that looks like Spider-Man's in. He goes, come on, Peter Tingle, and then he like runs on the walls. Let's recreate it.
Let's recreate it.
Ready?
Got that.
Come on, Peter Tingle. She's gone. Where's the sign? I can't go in that store. I'm lactose intolerant. We got Starbucks. What did you get?
Starbucks.
What did you get?
A caramel with crunch.
And I got a iced gingerbread oat milk chai. Okay guys, we are headed back home. We stopped at a souvenir shop that my mom wanted to stop at, and I had to use the bathroom. I brought my brush in to fix my hair, but I honestly don't think I'm gonna fix my hair. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. But I did want to show you guys my screen because look at this. I dropped my phone, and if you look close enough, you can see where my phone is black and like my screen is like static. Isn't that so weird? So now I have to get my screen fixed, but it's okay. Let's go look at this souvenir shop, see what we find, and then we're continuing to head back home. Oh, look at this. They have alligators in here. Look at them. And then just below them, there's a little fish. They have some really cool stuff in here. Like, look at this. Shit made out of shells. And then they have a bunch of these, like, shell things that can hang from the ceiling. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me, we stopped at a gas station, but I just wanted to give you guys a fit check. I'm wearing my Loki shirt that I got, sweatpants, and fake clogs from Shein, and my hair looks whack. I just finished watching, I didn't finish it, but I'm about to finish watching Sidelined. It's so cute and so good, but it's only on Tubi. At least for me. I might make Cam watch it. Here's the back of the shirt. I don't know if I can get it. Hold on. I already showed you guys, but I wanted to show you guys with it on. My best friend, Ashley, she has an obsession with Halloween and like Michael Myers and stuff. My equivalent, her obsession with Loki, her obsession with Michael Myers and like the Halloween franchise and stuff is equivalent to my obsession with Loki, and like it used to be all of Marvel, but then I just liked Loki. Fun fact about me. Ethan's making fun of me sighing in the car. I don't even know if you guys can see him because it's dark in there, but yeah. I'll update you guys when we're back on the road. What time is it? 9:50. So 2 hours until it's New Year's Eve.